Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer the Character Creator 3.4 directly from CC 3.4 to Unreal Engine and make him become one of the main avatar or any of the NPC in the game without involving the iClone 7s and the iClone Unreal Live Link. We don't need these two, and today I'm going to show you the methods, the direct methods from CC3 directly to Unreal. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. First, you are in Character Creator 3. At here, this is one of the sample avatar in the Character Creator 3, and now I want to send it to Unreal Engine. Alright, so first what you are going to do is just go to my video descriptions, scroll down, and then go and download the Unreal Engine motion in iClone format. This is compulsory. We don't need the iClone 7, but we just do in Character Creator 3. Go and download this UE motion iClone format, and then you should be able to get a zip file. Right click the zip file and extract all. Click extract. Once you extract it, it will show in another folder. This is the one. You can see you have a few iClone motion files. All of this you are going to drag into the Character Creator 3 first. So now step by step, first what you are going to do is click File, Export. Export as the FBX cloth character. And the target tool preset, you have to choose Unreal. Then the FBX motions, you have to choose Mesh and Motion. Tick Embed Texture. And then now you can see this is include the motion, should choose the custom. And then export Mesh and Motion individually. Like this. Alright. Next, you are going to drag in here, you click here. As demo, this is on my desktop, the UE motion iClone format. It is on my desktop, so I click the desktop. And then I enter this folder already, UE motion iClone format, that already extracted. Select all of them and then click open. Now you can see all of these motions already inside the custom. Export the mesh and motion individually. Then what you are going to do now, mesh and motions, embed the texture, click export, and then click OK. As demo, I will export it on my desktop, and I will create a new folder. I name this as girl01. Double click in the file name. I will name her as girl01. Save. Now you have to wait for a while until all of this finish imported. You check your folder. It is inside your folder. Now it is still exporting. We wait until all completed here. Now you can see you only have one motion FBX, so this is wrong. So we need to check again. All of this I deleted because it's supposed to have a few motions FBX. Not supposed to have one only. So click File, Export again, the FBX. And you have a lot. So it should have a lot here. So this one is very important. Tick it, save one motion per file. So this one you have to delete it. We don't want this. So export it again. Click OK. In the same folder, it's on the desktop, girl01. So this one, I name her as girl01. Save. Now we check again. You must make sure you have an FBX file with all the motion FBX file all put together. Now you can see once finished exported, you should have a girl01 FBX file, and then followed by all this motion file with the prefix girl01 at the front, and the rest you'll have all of these Unreal motions. So next, now I can close the character creator tree. In my Unreal Engine, as demo, I will just create a new game project, a third-person game project, and I will just name a third-person game project. I will just name this project as CC3 to Unreal 02. Alright. Okay, demo 02. CC3 to Unreal demo 02. I create this project. Start from fresh new, then you can see everything. How am I going to start? Now it is creating this new project and wait for a while. Alright, now this is a new project. What you are going to do is create a new folder. Wait, you have to click the content folder, and now you're already back to the content folder. You right click here, create a new folder. Name this folder according to your avatar's name, girl01. Enter. Double click in. And now, first thing you have to do is drag in the girl01 FBX. This is the first step. Drag in. And then now, you are going to import it. Now importing, you have to wait for a while until it pops out the import option. Now it popped out already. Here you make sure skeleton mesh, import animation, you no need first, you just import all. And wait until this FBX mesh import. Wait for a while. Alright, after finish transfer, it will pop out a message log. What you need to do is just close it. Close this window. Now in your Unreal Engines, you can just have a check your skeleton mesh. This is the ones under content folder, girl01s, at here. Alright, this is the avatar that you already transfer into your Unreal Engine. Next, you close, and then create a new folder. Name this folder as animations. Alright, once you already have the animations, you double click in. Next, what you are going to do is import all of this. Import all of this motion file with the prefix girl01 third-person jump to all of this. Drag in. And then the skeletons, you must choose it properly. Choose the girl01 skeletons. And then the animation length, you must choose animated time. This is really important. Then you click import all and wait for a while until all of these motion files finish transfer. Just wait for a while. Now you can see already finished transfer, and all of these are the animation sequence. For example, walk, and for example, run. All this animation sequence already in your Unreal Engine for this CC3 avatar. So close this first. Next, we are going to turn this avatar to become one of the main avatar in your Unreal Engine game project. Next, you back to the previous folder, girl01. Create a new folder here. Name this new folder as Animations Retargeted. Alright, this is really important. Next, back to the content folder. And then go into the mannequin folder. You turn this on first. This is the navigation. So go into your mannequin. You should be able to see a character. Go into the mesh, the UE Force mannequin skeletons. Click the retarget manager and make sure select rig, you choose select humanoid rig, and then save, close. Next, back to the content folder, And then go into your girl01, find the girl01 skeleton, double click it, click the retarget manager, select rig, you have to choose select humanoid rig, then click save and then close. Once you've already done this step, what you're going to do is back to the content folder, enter the mannequin, the animations. At here, you should be able to see a third-person blueprint. Right-click, retarget, retarget. Choose the girl01 skeletons, click retarget. Once you're done already, you can see all of this already back to the content folder, and you can see once you click in, it will have some problem. So next, we are going to fix all this problem. You can see it is under your girl01 folder. You already created the animation retargeted. You click the first one, hold the shift, click the last one, drag and move into animation retargeted folder, and then click move here. After you move it already, inside your animation retargeted, the first one is the third person animation blueprint. You click and press F2. You can rename it by adding an underscore behind girl01. Enter. Next, you can see this third person either runs. You double click in. Then all these problems you are going to solve it now. The first one, you have to find all the animation sequence that begin with the girl01. The first one you have to choose the third person idle. You can drag here to expand so that you can see it clearer. Which one is the third person idle? This one. The girl01's third person idle. Drag and drop at the first point. Then go and find the girl01 third person walk. Drag and drop at the second point. Then the third person either runs, you drag and drop at the last point here. Then save. And then close. Then you find it, the third person walk, hold the control, click the third person run, and hold the control, click the third person idle. You press delete button to delete these three, force delete. Next, it only left the third person jump, the third person jump loop, and the third person jump start. First, you click the third person jump, you press delete button, and then here you have to replace the girl01 third person jump. This one. Replace reference and click OK, and click save selected. It automatically will delete. Next, you click the third person jump loop, you press delete buttons, and then you replace it with the girl01 third person jump loop. This is the one. Then replace reference, click OK. Save selected. The last one is the third person jump start. Click and press delete buttons. Replace it with the third person jump start. Start with the girl01 third person jump start. This one. Replace reference and click OK. Save selected. Done. Next, you are going to make this girl01 to become the main avatar in your game. By default, if you play your game in your Unreal Engine, by default, the main avatar is the mannequin. You press escape. Alright. What you need to do is delete the mannequin from here first. Press delete. Next, go to the content, the third person blueprint. Under the blueprint, you should be able to see the third person character. You right click and duplicate. Add an underscore behind. Name it as girl01. And you double click in. Then click the mesh, click the viewport, and then change the skeleton mesh, change it to become girl01. And then next, the animation class, you choose the third person animation blueprint underscore girl01. Now done, you click compile, save, and close. Then, if you play, now the main avatar still is the mannequin. So press escape. And then you go to the edit, go to the project setting, and then the maps and modes. Select the game modes. This one's the default point class. This is the main avatar. Choose it again. Choose a third person character girl01. And then it automatic save. You just need to close here and then play. Now you can see the main avatar already become girl01. And this girl01 is the avatar from your character creator tree, from your CC tree. She already become the main avatar. Now, press escape. And you may want to make her become the NPC as well. What you need to do is just drag her out. And then press E to rotate. Now, if you play, you can see you yourself is the main avatar. You play as the girl01. And then you can see the NPC also at here. The girl01 also become one of the NPC in your Unreal Engine game already. Alright. I can feel a little bit lag. I may choose to change the setting of the graphic. I make it become medium. Then I try to play again. You can see now this is NPC and the main avatar also become girl01. Alright, done. That's all for today about how to transfer the character creator tree avatar directly from character creator tree to Unreal Engine without involving the iClone 7 and iClone Unreal Live link. You can make it to retarget everything and make this avatar to become the main avatar in your game or make her become the NPC. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy, happy animation and game developing. See you.